explore our watch lists. So if you're on the top tier, you will get access to our aristocrats and kings watch lists. And these are updated whenever there is a change, obviously, to the criteria or to whoever's qualified for the criteria in the watch list. And some of these are quite long, like the Kings list is 5 pages worth. And you can do some filtering based on yield range or growth range or sector. And you can also sort by symbol, name, sector, whatever your preference is. Same with the aristocrat function. With the aristocrat watch list, you can go through with the sorting and filtering function. In future, I'll be putting in more curated lists around other areas, possibly sector related, possibly yield related, or investment type related. Like if you're after income focus or growth focus. So I'll be adding those. Any that I add will be categorized so they're open to everyone, but the aristocrats and kings lists are rate limited, so it depends on what tier of the subscription you're on. So yeah, if you want access to those, just go to the watch list section. And also, since we're just starting out in the first few months of our operations, we'll obviously make these available to everyone. But yeah, as we move forward, as things grow, we will go back to limiting them. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.